How to play Olorun to the awon on intermediate level 1. Now the last time we played it as an absolute beginner, where we did something like this. Olorun to the so it was all root chord on the right hand and single note on the left hand. Now on this level, if your hand is not long enough or big enough to have an octave like this, you can equally hold your single notes. Just do that. So you can do that, right? So for this, we are using inverted chords on the right hand, and that is what has changed the difficulty. Now on this level, you are using inverted chord on the right hand. Why are we using inverted chords? The reason is because the melody of the song and the first chords we played was not portrayed. For example, hear this. You heard that, right? Now hear this. If you pay close attention to both chord progression, the second one sounded more like Olorun, and the reason it did was because sounded more like the song, and the reason is because the melody line was, my pinky finger was playing it at all time. So Olorun, Olorun, see, it's there, my pinky finger. So the melody of the song should be at the end, the highest part of your finger, if you are picking a chord. Exactly. So that's the trick. That's the trick. So that the rest of the notes you are playing downwards are just harmonizing that line, and it just makes it perfect. Alright? Now this is level 1 intermediate level. I'm going to do another video on level 2 where I will actually be playing the entire song. You will know the difference when you hear it. So we've gotten that back. So this is your do chord. We are not playing this first inversion, we are not playing second inversion, we are playing the root. Because this saw, the do chord closest to it is this. So you pick the do closest to it. We already know that Atania is a do we are going to play, so we pick the do chord closest to it. And this is the do chord closest to it. To beggar. This is the second. And the do chord that will have this as the highest is the first inversion. So that's why I went. Now let me just sneak in a little. Oh my goodness. They just put up margin. Okay, what just happened was that this is Nigeria, so I don't know where you're watching this video from. Light supply gets interrupted, so I was on my gen and generator, and they brought the light, and a neighbor of mine just put my generator off without telling me about it first. Sorry about that. I was tempted to begin again the video, but let's just go on. So we go to Tani. Tani, oh, to big, oh. So, before the interruption, I was saying something that I wanted to bring something from the level 2, and this is what I wanted to bring. So how you know this is the right chord for it, you can play the song under the chord. Can you see it? When you use the right chord, the melody of the song will be very easy for you to play. That's it. That's how you know you are doing the right thing. So, Tani o to beg So why am I playing just 2 notes instead of doing this? It's because the melody of the song gives us shit. So instead of me to come do like this, it will disturb my left hand. So while my left hand is doing this, I'm doing this. So at the end of the day, I'm still holding the 3 chord. You understand? Sorry. You can see it's there. Then you go back to your Olorun. Olorun, right? To the awon, okay, any of it. So basically, that's how to play Olorun to the awon, intermediate level 2. I'll make the next level pretty soon, so please subscribe and watch out for it.